Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have FTX token daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and before we continue, do not forget join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So FTX against USD chart. You can see right here that we had a plus almost 100% just one day, but the reality of FTX token is that it collapses and it goes further down and down, and you can see that this won't be the case, that we are going bullish and we are going to maintain a higher low pattern, at least for now. Unfortunately, the case right now is that we are making a possible bearish pennant formation into the daily frame. That means that FTX token can literally go even below than the 107, okay, and possibly, than the 1 USDT, and possibly below than the 0.83 again. Let's see a little bit the most important support levels right now. I am just drawing the fib from the bottom to the top. You can see right here that we have one last bullish support level that we want to maintain, and that is the 1.06 USDT. Okay, if we can manage to hold this, then we can potentially go all the way up to test the 1.323. Okay, maybe it could be the case that if we hold this line right here into the daily frame, we are going to get a very nice pump towards the 1.323. However, if we cannot manage to pull it off and go higher than the 106, what I mean by that is if we do not manage to have it as a support level, we will eventually crumble down into below the 0.80. Okay, I want you to be careful because this could be disastrous for FTT token. It could be the case that we go all the way back down. Okay, so I want you to be extremely careful. The 106 is the last support level. If we open the regular scale, we are already below the last support level, but in the logarithmic, of course, we see that this is the last support level holding us, and we could actually manage to make something beautiful. But for the time being, we are mostly bearish. We have gone below this bottom triangle trend line right here. You can see that if we connect the bottoms, we are below. Okay, so this could be a little bit catastrophic, a little bit problematic for the FTT token. This is the top trend line. It could be the case that if we hold the 106, we will go all the way to test again, maybe the 0.5, which is the 1.54, maybe the 1.80 as well. Okay, but for the time being, we are mostly bearish. You have to be extremely careful. Bitcoin's chart on the other side wants to go higher. It wants to push its target all the way to the 32,000. This will help many altcoins, but at the same time, FTX actually goes a little bit alone. Okay, so it doesn't follow the Bitcoin's trend. You know what happened with the FTX crash right there. The company wants to rebuild, wants to start from anew, but right now it is not so easy. Okay, so I want you to be extremely careful, as things can go a little bit further, a little bit catastrophic right now for FTT, especially if we lose the 1.06 USDT. If we do not, when we go above the trend line again, that means that if we go above, for example, the 1.14, 1.15, and so on, you can see that it increases with the time, then we can go to the point 1.323. This is the next target right here, but closing below, this is the worst case scenario possible for FTX. For FTX token, FTT holders, please just be careful. Okay, that's all I have to say. Be extremely careful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.